remember when rock was young. Me and Susie had so much fun, holding hands and skipping stones. Had a up of try and a place of my own, but the biggest kick I ever got was on a thing called Crocodile Rock, where the other kids were rocking down the clock. We were hopping and bobbing to the Crocodile Rock. Well, crowd rocking, sun jacking when your feet just can't keep still. I never knew me about our time, when I guess I never will. Wow, Lady Mama, just Friday nights when Susie wore her dresses tight. The crowd rocking was the sight of the sight. La 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 la. But the years went by and rock just died. Susie was left with the foreign guy, long gone crying by the record machine, dreaming of my Chevy down the old blue jeans. But they never killed her 'cause we got burning up to the crocodile up, learning fast as the weeks went past. We really tired the crocodile lost her eye. Well, crowd rocking, sun jacking when she just can't keep still. I never knew me about our time, when I guess I never will. Wow, Lady Mama, those Friday nights when Susie wore her dresses tight. The crowd rocking was the sight of the sight. La 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 la. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Daniel.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Very nice voice. Very nice song. That part. Wow! I like that one very much. Okay. You have a very nice voice. I like how you were dancing while you were singing. That's very good. Okay. Keep that up. And then also, overall, it was very good. But then with more practice, you can do more better. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
The song that you chose is a very nice song, oldies, and I like your showmanship.
Thank you.
Should keep it up with that, all right? And there are some parts where you miss the notes, all right? But then you can do better, all
Thank
right?
you.
Keep it up.
So Daniel, who would you like to choose as your coach? Miss Lapidyang, Miss Kane Kaur?
Miss Lapadia.
Welcome to my team.
Thank you.